So Pi just released the security update to help protect your Pi account, and this very update is called Protect Your Pi with One Tap. Now I'm sure a lot of us might have seen this, but we just clicked away for fear of getting scammed or something else. Now if you know you didn't click on a random link before arriving at this very page, then you have nothing to worry about. If you just opened your Pi app directly and you get to see this pop-up notification, then you know that this is very important and you have to do this to protect your Pi coins. So what you're basically doing right now is adding a passkey by either using your biometric or face ID. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on add passkey right now, and once you click on this very add passkey button, this is going to bring up another pop-up which would ask you to enter your Pi account password. Now the password you are meant to enter here is not a new password, but your Pi network account password. Okay, that's what you're meant to fix in right here. So I'm just going to enter mine real quick and then come back to this very video. So after entering your Pi account password and you're sure that you entered the right password, go ahead and click on the purple continue button right there, and this would begin the authentication process, which would now ask you to use your face ID if you are using face ID for your phone, or your fingerprint, right? But before that you have to click continue and this would propagate. So yes, I'm just going to enter my fingerprints right there, and as you can see right now the screen is dark. This kind of a security feature integrated into the Pi app, right? So this is basically, now another thing you need to know is that you will receive an email notifying you that the passkey has been added to your Pi account and there is a necessity to confirm if this is you. And if this is not you, you see a few actions or security measures to take to protect your Pi account, and one of them is removing your account activity, and remove any changes you didn't make. I'm going to show you how to do that, right? But this is my doing, so there's nothing to worry about, but I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? And how to also add another account, very important. So if you come back to your Pi app right now, what you have to do is to click on that 3 horizontal line at the top left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you scroll down and click on that profile at the bottom of your screen. Just click on profile and you arrive at your profile. Now you scroll down and check out this very section that says passkey. Now you can actually manage the passkey you added to this very account by simply clicking on manage. Now once you click on manage, you arrive at this very page. As you can see, this is the remove option. If I don't want to link this very phone anymore, I can just remove that. Or you can actually add another device. That is, if you have multiple devices, just click on that add another device and it would bring up this pop-up which would ask you to perform the same process so that you'd be able to add another device. So this is it, really easy, really simple. If you enjoyed the video, kindly leave a like and share so that others who are not aware of this information will be able to access it easily. If this is your first time, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on future updates. Also join our small social media community using the link in the video description. If you haven't joined Pi but want to check things out, I'll leave my link in the video description. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.